Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel for this video about deep squatting. In this video, we'll discuss what a deep squat is, what it looks like, and the benefits of deep squats. We will also address the reasons why people can't perform them and how to improve your ability to do a deep squat. So what is a deep squat? A deep squat is a squat where you go below parallel, meaning your hips go lower than your knees. To perform a deep squat correctly, you need to have the right form. Your feet should be shoulder width apart, your knees should be in line with your toes, and your back should be straight. What are the benefits of doing deep squats? Deep squats offer several benefits that regular squats don't. Increased bone density. Any weight-bearing exercise, like deep squats, can help build bone density. Improved muscle activation. Deep squats work with more range of motion in the joints, which means more muscle activation and more strengthening. Strengthening of the quadriceps and glute muscles. Squats are one of the most effective ways to strengthen the quadriceps muscles in the thighs and the glute muscles in the hips. Deep squats take these benefits a step further, because of the full range of motion that it takes to complete the exercise. Improved mobility. Deep squats require more mobility in the knees, hips, and ankles than regular squats, so they can help improve your overall mobility. Functional movement. Deep squats are a functional movement involved in many everyday activities, including standing up from sitting on a low stool, picking up a heavy box from the floor, or preparing to kneel down to the ground. Improved sports performance. The deep squat movement is used in many sports, such as baseball, football, and hockey, and it's very important to Olympic weightlifters due to the nature of how they propel weight from the ground to overhead. Why can't some people perform a deep squat? One reason is lack of mobility. Many people have tight hips, ankles, or calves that prevent them from getting into the correct position for a deep squat. Another issue for some is weakness. Deep squats require strength in the legs, core, and back. If any of these areas are weak, it can be difficult to perform a deep squat. Another issue for some is fear. Some people are afraid of going too low in a squat because they think it will hurt their knees or back. If proper form is used, the exact opposite is true. I'm sure that many of you would like to know how you can improve your deep squat. If you're struggling with deep squats, here are some tips to help you improve. Improve your mobility. Stretching and foam rolling can help loosen up tight muscles and improve your range of motion. Build strength. Exercises like lunges and deadlifts can help build strength in the legs, core, and back. Start with bodyweight squats. If you're new to deep squats, start with bodyweight squats and gradually work up to using weights. Focus on form. Make sure you're using the correct form when performing deep squats. This will help prevent injury and improve your results. Thanks for watching this video about deep squatting. We hope you learned something new and feel more confident about performing deep squats. Remember to focus on your form, build strength and mobility, and start with bodyweight squats if you're new to this exercise. If you have any questions or tips for deep squatting, please leave them in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel as it will help the channel grow. For a stretching routine that will help you get better with deep squats, click on the video above.